friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about MinisForum TH50 Ultra Compact Desktop PC, and friend, it has a Core i5 11 320H with 4 cores and 8 threads, and friend, the graphics are Intel Iris Xe graphics, and the video output is HDMI 2.0 into 1 and DisplayPort into 1, compatible with 4K 60Hz, and the Thunderbolt 4 interface is compatible with 8K 60Hz, and it also has multi-display support. And friend, the major specification include LPDDR4 3200, 16GB memory, 512GB NVMe M.2 SSD storage, and 2.5-inch bay into 2 extension. And friend, the network is compatible with 2.5 Gigabit LAN into 2, Intle Wi-Fi 6, wireless LAN, and Bluetooth. And friend, the main body measures 149.6 mm wide, 149.6 mm deep, and 55.5 mm tall, and weighs around 766 grams. And friend, the product includes an AC adapter and AC port and VESA mounter, as well as Windows 10 Pro 64-bit. And friend, this unit will cost roughly $696 USD. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.